How do you terminate an irrevocable trust? Imagine having a treasure chest that you cannot open or change once it's locked. That's what an irrevocable trust is like. It's designed to protect assets and ensure they go where you want. But sometimes, circumstances change, and you might wonder if it's possible to end this kind of trust. Well, let's explore how that can happen. First, because an irrevocable trust is set up to be permanent, ending it isn't simple. The person who created it, called the grantor, can't just decide to shut it down on their own. Instead, everyone involved, including all beneficiaries, must agree to the termination. This means all parties need to sign documents showing they consent. Usually, this is done through affidavits or private settlement agreements. It's important that everyone's on the same page to avoid future disputes. Next, even with everyone's agreement, the trust usually needs court approval. You will need to file a petition with a probate or trust court. The court's job is to make sure ending the trust won't harm anyone's rights or go against the original purpose. The judge will review why you want to end it and decide if it's fair and legal to do so. Another reason a trust might be terminated is if its original goal is no longer relevant. For example, if the trust was meant to manage real estate for building wealth across generations, and that goal has been fulfilled or is no longer possible, the court might agree to end it. Similarly, if the trust has reached its expiration date or all assets have been distributed, it can automatically end without extra steps. Sometimes, instead of fully ending the trust, you can modify it or transfer its assets to a new trust with different rules. This process is called decanting. It's allowed in some states if all beneficiaries agree and the law permits it. This can be a good way to adapt to changing family or financial needs without losing the protections the trust offers. Because of the legal complexities involved, working with an estate or trust attorney is essential. They can help you understand your state's laws, prepare the necessary paperwork, and guide you through court proceedings if needed. They also ensure that the process respects the trust's original intent and your long-term wealth-building goals. In the context of building wealth through real estate and creating generational wealth, irrevocable trusts often hold valuable assets like family homes or investment properties. Ending such a trust prematurely could risk losing protections from creditors or probate. That's why it's important to carefully consider whether termination aligns with your family's financial plans. When it's time to end a trust, making sure all beneficiaries agree and getting legal help will help keep the process smooth and protect your family's wealth for generations to come.